Okay, so now we're in 2.3, and we are dealing with equations more and more. And specifically, we're going to be dealing with things called formulas. And these formulas on page 82, okay, are going to be your lifeblood. All right, you want to refer to these often. Okay, so whenever we're dealing with a specific problem, we will be able to use a formula to help us along. Later on, you'll build your own formulas, etc. And in fact, some of these you can kind of build on your own if you think about it. But for right now, you've got that crutch. Okay, so here's the question. Ned is traveling on a horse at 20 miles per hour. I know it's fast for a horse. I know it's fast. How long will it take to get to Winterfell if it is 80 miles away? Okay, so first things first. Break this up into pieces. Ned is traveling. As far as I care, as far as I care about equations, Ned is traveling is not something I'm going to quantify. So on a horse, not going to quantify. Aha! At 20 miles per hour. So we're traveling at 20 miles per hour. Well, that could be significant. How long will it take to get to Winterfell? How long? The moment we say how long will it take, we know that there's a time element involved here. Okay, in fact, time becomes the thing that we're looking for. Because notice, we're not given a time. Okay, so how long will it take to get to Winterfell if it is 80 miles away? All right, so I look back in the little formula sheet that I have, and I see, okay, well, this must be the one we're talking about. Distance equals rate times time. Okay? And I say, okay, well, how do we use what we have? Oh, well, look, distance. Well, how far away are we from Winterfell? We're 80. Okay? So I'm going to plug that 80 in for the distance. Okay? Rate. Oh, how fast are we going? That's what the rate is. Well, the rate says we're going at 20 miles per hour. And what about time? Oh, well, I don't know time. Time is what we're looking for. In fact, how long will it take to get to Winterfell? So time is the thing I'm looking for. So now I've got my formula. I plugged in what I know, and now I'm going to solve for what's there. Time is what I'm looking for. I need time to be all by itself. Since I'm multiplying time by 20, I'm going to do the opposite, which is divide by 20. I have to maintain the balance, so whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. And time, in this case, 80 divided by 20 is a 4. And what's the unit? Well, I'm traveling at miles per hour, so the unit here is going to be hour. We'll worry about how to deal with units later. Okay, so 4 hours. Okay, so that's how we use formulas.